how to create a landing page for free. Hey, what's up everybody? This is Srinath Vishwanath, and by the end of this video, I'm going to show you the step by step, the move by move way of building an entire landing page for absolutely for free. And also, I'm going to share with you a secret tool by using which you can create or you can build almost any type of landing page for absolutely for free. And also, by using this tool, you can also create your sales funnels for free. And also, the good thing about this tool that I'm going to share with you is you can also use this tool to send out unlimited emails to your email list. Yes, which means this tool has got an inbuilt auto responder, and which is absolutely for free, guys. Yes. Okay, so let's begin. So hey, what's up? Once again, this is Srinath Vishwanath, and in this video, I'm gonna share with you the exact tool that currently I'm using to build my sales funnels and my landing pages, and also I'm using this tool to send out emails to my leads and to my email list. Yes, so in a while, I'm gonna share my PC screen with you, and I'm gonna show you exactly how you can use this tool specifically to build out your own landing page for free. So now let's dive into my PC screen and let's see how you can use this. So this is the secret tool that I was talking about, and this is called system or systemy. I don't know how to pronounce this, but you can see the name over here. And this is the all-in-one marketing tool for online entrepreneurs. And the good thing is here you can see we have got a forever free plan, and also we no need to have any credit card. We don't need to enter any credit card details to get this to get started with this tool. Okay, of course there are a couple of paid plans also, but let me quickly show you how you can create a free landing page by using this tool, guys. Okay, so all you need to do is just click on the get started for free button over here and create an account, and then click sign in. So when you sign in, so this is how the dashboard is going to look like. So I have just signed up with my account, sign in with my account. Okay, so if you click, so after signing in, if you see here there is a menu tab over here, just click on that. And here there are a lot of things here: contacts, funnels, emails, so automations, product sales, and a lot of things. But to create your landing page, you need to click on funnels tab here. Okay, funnel is nothing but a landing page, guys. Okay, for the people who don't know about it, just click on the funnels, and here I have got my own funnel here, my own landing page. You can, all you need to do is just click on create over here, create button. And here we got we need to give a new name to our funnel or else for our landing page. Okay, so let's give a name as test. Okay, or else test page. Okay, now we need to select here something. So what is the purpose of your landing page? Do you want to collect some emails? Then click on build an audience uh, here, or else you can, if you want to sell some products or service, you can click over here. If you want to build from scratch, you can click on custom here. Okay, or else if you are like planning to host your own webinar, you can click here. Okay, so for example purpose, I'm going to show you about how to create a landing page for collecting emails. Okay, and then here if you see, after selecting this, we need to select the currency of our landing page. Here we have got all the different currencies worldwide, and let me select Indian rupee because I'm in India, right? So of course you can also select US dollars, guys. Okay, but this depends on where you want to promote your landing page, and you know this completely dependent on you guys. Okay, so you can select US dollars, you can select Indian rupees accordingly. Okay, so but I'm selecting Indian rupee, and let just click on create on that, and that's gonna open the actual you know uh, landing page editor and landing page builder. Okay, if you see here, this is almost kind of like ClickFunnels. If you know ClickFunnels, this is almost similar, guys. Here you got the funnel steps, squeeze page, and thank you page. To for the sake of email opt-in landing page, we need to have two pages, right? Opt-in page or squeeze page and thank you page. Here you can see the two pages, and also you can drag and drop these things. Uh, I hope you can see this. We can do this in ClickFunnels, right? So we can do this in this for free, but ClickFunnels is $99. We need to pay $100 per month. But in this tool, we can do this for free, guys. Okay. So now when you click on the squeeze page over here, and then you need to select a template from this. Of course you can start from scratch if you want, just select any template. I'm just selecting some random template here. So after selecting the template, then we can, here you can see you can change the name of this squeeze page, and also you can uh, select the path to this particular page. Okay, our URL to this page, and then just click on save over here, and the funnel step will be saved. Okay, I think this is already exists, so let me change this to uh, and save it. Now that has been saved. Okay, now comes the actual part. If you see here, there is something called edit page icon. Just click on that, and that's gonna open the actual landing page builder. Yes, so this is the beauty, guys. Here you can see this is almost kind of like ClickFunnels for the people who know ClickFunnels, right? The green things are like sections, the blue things are like rows, and the orange things are like elements, right? So let me quickly delete all of these things from here, and let me show you from scratch about how to create your own landing page. Okay, let me quickly do this, just a second, guys. Okay, so by using this tool, we can almost create any type of landing page by just dragging and dropping, you know elements, sections, rows, whatever we want. Okay, so I'm going to show that to you in a second. So that's done. So I have just completely deleted everything. So if you see here on the left hand side, there are like elements, text, headline, bullet list, image, video, audio. But before that, we need to uh, select a section, right? Just click and drag and drop the section into this box, and that's it. We have got a section, and we have got a row inside that section. Now we can, if you click on the section, we will be getting the section settings over here, again left hand side. Okay, guys, so if you go to background color, you can select the back, you can change the background color that you want. Okay, so let me show you. Oh my god, just a second. So here you can see you can change the background color accordingly, guys. Okay, so let me keep it red. And the other thing is, so let's say that you want a headline on your landing page, right? So just click that headline text and drag and drop it over this here, and here we got a headline text. Just click on that, and here you can see you can change the size in here. Heading 1, heading 2, these are like different sizes, guys. Okay, we can directly select the size from here, or else again you can see here, when you click on the element, when you click on this, or else when you click on the settings gear here, the text or the text settings will be opened again on the left hand side. You can change the text color and everything. Let me change the text color to some white. Okay, so let me select white color, and that's it, guys. Okay, here you can see the color has changed to white, right? So let me quickly add some video, because or else some uh, text again here for the sake of landing page. Okay, so let's click. Before that, let me add another section, because that is a heading section. Now let's add some body section over here, and that's it. We have got another section and another row. So now let me add some text over here again. Whatever we want, we can do that. Okay, so let's say that we can edit this text again. Just double click on that and start typing whatever you want. In the same way, you can change the headline text also. Again, just double click on the headline text, and you can start editing it accordingly. Okay, so let's say that you want to collect emails. Okay, so just scroll down here on this toolbox, and here you can see something called form input. Just drag and drop that over here. Anyway, and here we got a form input, which means now people can enter their name, or else their email, or else their mobile numbers, their city, whatever their address. We need to set it. Just click on the settings gear over here, and the settings of this box are opened again on the left hand side. So if you see here, we need to select an input type. click it, and here you can see we can select anything from here, but I'm going to select email, which means I want people to enter their email address in this. And you can also change it here, like, enter your email, whatever I want I can write it. And there are a lot of settings over here, you can play with it. But after entering their email address, we need to have a button, right, to submit that form and to submit that email to us, so that people can enter their email and they can click the submit button, right? So again, if you scroll down onto this toolbox here, you can see button. Just drag and drop that, over here, and we got a button, right? So simple, guys, so easy, right? I hope you are able to see, you're getting so excited by looking at this tool, guys. And everything is for free, okay? I haven't paid any money to this tool. I'm using this for free, and you can also use this for free. When you click on this again, when you click on this element, and the settings of these elements again open on the left hand side, you can see we need to select an action to this button, which means what this button should do when someone clicks on that. So there are, like, again, couple of things. Send form, show pop-up, open URL, next step in URL. So send form, for send form is nothing but this is a kind of form, right? This is some kind of form, right? People will be entering their email address inside this form. So when they click on that, that's going to be submitted to us, which means we are going to collect their email address, okay? So basically this is the basic landing page, guys, okay? Or else let me quickly do some more things, add some more things over here to make it to look good. Let's say that you want to add a video on the opt-in page, you can drag and drop it over here, and that's it. We have got a uh, video player here, okay? So let me reduce the size of this uh, video, because I don't want that this much huge video tab over here. Here you can see that these are like settings are very easy, guys. This tool is like very beginner friendly and user friendly to use. And again, if you click on the video element here, you can edit the settings of that video. You can select some of your YouTube videos, select YouTube and paste your link here, YouTube link, and that video will be played here, okay? Or else you can upload your video directly onto this set system software itself, which is awesome, guys, okay? So let's keep it YouTube itself. And again, there are a lot of settings that you can play with it, okay? But let me save this for here. So we have saved the changes. And also we have got the pop-ups option here. If you want to show some pop-ups, you can add pop-ups. We have got, by default we have got a pop-up. Let me delete this. So now we have got no pop-ups now. Again, save changes. So if you want to, I just literally built a landing page in front of you, guys. So if you want to preview, just click on this I button over here, and that's gonna preview our landing page that we have just built. You see, this is the landing page that I built literally in couple of minutes in front of you guys, right? I just built this entire landing page in front of you guys, okay? Now here, if you see, people can enter their email address at the rate gmail.com or whatever, and they will be clicking on this button. And if we got our own video, the video will be played over here, everything, right? We can change the colors, we can change the sizes and everything, guys. But I hope you're understanding the point here, the easiness of this tool, okay? So let me get out and let me show you the other things, other couple of things, okay? So if you see here that our first page was ready, so then comes the thank you page, right? We can again select thank you page, and again you can select some template, and again you can start editing it, okay? Let's say that you want to add one more step inside inside this page itself. You can just click on create step here, and you can name your step and choose which type of page that you want. If you see here, do you want some opt-in, do you want some sales page, order page, thank you page, upsell page, downsell page, do you want a webinar page? So these are different options that you can select, guys, okay? So here you can see automation rules. So now automations are nothing but, let's say that when someone enters their email address onto this page, on our page, we want to send out a specific email for some lead magnet or for anything. Then you can set it in the automations here. You can do A/B split test just like ClickFunnels. Uh, we can create variations of our landing page, and we can create A/B split tests, and we have got the stats over here. How many people, how many page views do we got, how many opt-ins we got, how many sales we got, right? We have got sales, and we have got some deadline settings, a lot of things, guys. You can play with this, all of these things. Okay, so the best, let me quickly show you some other things. This is actual landing page builder. By using this you can build almost any type of landing page. Okay, and we have also got emails, inbuilt email SMTP, guys. You can click on this email tag, and you can set up your own domain and your own email forwarding settings over here. Okay, and you can also send out emails simply by using this. Okay, and also you have got contacts. Now contacts are nothing but, let's say that someone entered their email address onto our landing page. Now our the email that they entered is going to be available for us inside the contacts section, guys. Okay, here you can see there are a couple of emails of mine. We can also import, let's say that you got your own email list that you want to import. You can click on the import contacts button here, and you can import your email list, guys. Okay, and also you can export all of this email. Just click the emails that you want to export and click on more actions, and here you can see you can export, or else you can do whatever you want to do here. Okay, so there are a lot of things, guys. Product sales, if you're like trying to sell some physical products, you can look over this. If you want to create some coupon codes, you can use this. Orders, transactions, subscriptions, affiliate, courses. If you want to create courses, course bundles, if you want to run your own affiliate program, that is available for free. Okay, and automations, you can create some automation rules and workflows. You can also create a blog for free in the free section, free version itself. Okay, so let me quickly show you the pricing here, pricing of this tool. Okay, of course there is a forever free plan for us. You need to get tensed over it. So if you see here, there is this thing called free $0 per month plan, which is absolutely for free. Okay, so but there are like a couple of there are limitations in the free plan, but this is enough for someone who is like completely beginner, who is just starting out. Here you can see you can use the free version up to the 1,000 contacts, which means up to 1,000 emails. You can use this for free. Okay, and you can send out unlimited emails for free with this tool. You can build 3 sales funnels or 3 landing pages by using this tool for free, guys. Okay, and you can see here you can build up to 10 funnel steps, which means squeeze page and thank you page. I just know I have showed you the opt-in page, right? So in which I have got like 2 steps, right? Squeeze page and thank you page. So 2 steps. So in that way we can build up to, overall we can build 10 steps inside the free plan. And blogs, we have got a blog for free, and you can just check it, guys. Okay, we have got everything, almost a lot of things for free. But to get even these things inside some other tools, we need to be paying $100 per month. But here the good thing is we have got a forever free plan, then the startup plan, then the webinar, and the enterprise plan. You can just check the link in the description of this video to check out this, to claim your free account with system.io. And also yeah, let me talk to you. So that was the system tool that I shared, that I'm using currently to send out emails and to build my sales funnels, to build my landing pages, to create my landing pages for free, guys. Yes, you can use this tool. You can check the link in the description of this video, and you can play with it, and let me know in the comment section about how you felt, what are your opinion with the tool. And also if you got any questions, any doubts, make sure to comment down below. I will answer all of your questions and doubts, guys. Okay, so honestly speaking, guys, this tool is a lot more better than all other tools, free and also some of the paid tools. This tool is better than some of the paid tools out there. I feel like this tool is even much more better than the ClickFunnels itself. Yes, I used to use ClickFunnels, but I'm just changing from ClickFunnels to this particular tool because I started to love this tool, guys. Okay, so make sure to check the link in the description. And also if you got any value in this video, make sure to hit that like button, and also subscribe to my channel and turn on my notifications so that you get a notification whenever I post or upload a new video. Okay, so with that said, talk to you again. Bye.